In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Constant Contact. A landing page is a focused, standalone page designed to get visitors to take one clear action, like subscribing to your list or downloading a resource. Before you begin, have a simple goal in mind, a short and compelling message, and a strong visual or two that supports that goal. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the Campaigns area. This is your hub for emails, automations, and of course, landing pages. Look for the Create button, click it, and choose Landing Page. This opens the path to either use a ready-made layout or build your page from the ground up. If you prefer speed and structure, select a template that matches your purpose, whether it's lead capture, an event RSVP, or a simple announcement. Templates come with pre-arranged sections that you can customize, which saves time and helps maintain a clean hierarchy. If you want total control, start from scratch and drag in the elements you need. Either way, you'll land in the editor where everything is fully adjustable. Begin by adding your headline. Make it clear, benefit-focused, and short enough to read at a glance. Follow with concise body text that explains what visitors get and why it matters. Keep sentences straightforward and break up longer thoughts so they're easy to scan. Next, drop in images that reinforce your message. Use high-quality visuals that load quickly, and keep backgrounds uncluttered so your call to action stands out. Add your form so visitors can share their details. Only ask for what you truly need. Fewer fields generally mean higher completion rates. Label fields clearly and keep the order logical. If you're collecting email addresses, include a brief note that sets expectations about what subscribers will receive. Now place your primary button. Use action-oriented wording like "get the guide" or "sign me up," and choose a color that contrasts with the background so it's immediately visible. Finish by applying your branding. Upload your logo, use your brand colors and fonts, and keep spacing consistent to create a professional, trustworthy look. When the layout feels right, use the preview to check the page on both desktop and mobile. Read everything out loud to catch typos, confirm the images look crisp, and make sure the form and button are easy to tap on a phone. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish. You'll receive a shareable link that you can use in emails, social posts, and ads. That's it. Your Constant Contact landing page is live and ready to convert.